Welcome again to my channel, lovely. Today I'm making quinoa jollof. Here are the ingredients I'm going to be using, and I will put them all in the description box below. You can please check them out if you want. To prepare quinoa, first you have to bring your water to a boil, and then you wash your quinoa thoroughly. You pour into it. Leave it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Actually, I boiled mine just for 15 minutes. After you have added your quinoa into your boiled water, just stir it a little bit, then cover and leave it to cook. Make sure not to add too much water into your quinoa because it all depends on the brand you're using. Some you need much water and some you don't need too much water. For this recipe, this is 250 grams of quinoa and I'm using just 700 milliliters of water. I added my olive oil into the pot and then my chopped onion, and I will saute it for 2 minutes. You can use any oil of your choice. Next, I'll be adding my chopped garlic and ginger and I'll fry it for 2 minutes. It's over 2 minutes. I'll just go in now with my chopped green, red and yellow bell peppers and some chopped carrot and stir very well to combine. I'll just add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 Maggi cube. Now I'll just use my spoon to crush it and then stir very well for it to mix. I'll just go in now with my paprika powder. You can use any ingredient you want and it will still give you that perfect taste. You must not use only my ingredients. Now my chopped parsley, oregano, then a teaspoon of curry powder. I actually added all of these ingredients, one teaspoon each. The last ingredient I'll be adding is spring onion. I will stir everything together now very well for it to mix. Then I go in now with my quinoa and then I will continue to stir to mix it together with the ingredients. I really love this recipe and my kids love it. You can do it for kids, picky kids that don't love vegetables, and they will love it. It is a healthy recipe. It's just like rice and it tastes very good. Thank you all so much for everyone that has been there for me during this time of my 12 days challenge. I really appreciate you all. I don't take your love for granted. Thank you and God bless you. I will see you again in my next video. Bye.